Hello ladies, and welcome to another video in our 30 days business challenge series. Today, honestly, this video is not about anything to do with the business or internet marketing. You see, I lost a friend, I would say yes, a friend some weeks ago to cancer. And it has just made me think, really. She was a wonderful businesswoman, she ran her own business most of her life, and she was quite successful in all she did. And it's just, made me think, after all this, really, what next? Do we ever think about eternity? Do we ever think about, after all this, is there something else out there in, apart from now? And if there is, how can we attain? How can we get there? Because for me, it just sounds so senseless that, you would work and work for a number of years, and after then you just die and nothing, nobody knows, what next? So yes, I'm throwing out the questions to you all wonderful ladies out there. So what do you think? Is there an eternity? And if there is, what are we supposed to do? Because it just, it's just made me think a lot. We're trying to run our own businesses and to get people to, to sign up for our business, and we're just doing our own things and really having a wonderful time doing it. But when we die, is there something out there? Is there something to make us, I just want to hear all your responses, ladies. So give me a buzz. Tell me what you think. And yes, and I will speak to you in the next video. Okay, thank you. Bye.